Yeah, so finally got my full build this time. Upgraded it to a 280mm AIO, which is the cooler for the CPU. Tried my best for the cable management. It's not that easy to do so. See that fan spinning? Cable management. I tried my best. I ain't a professional. Shout out to Fractal 650 SFXL. It's a beast. It's powering a 6800 XT. Although I'm just running a 5600X, it's still a lot more than what I need. Well, yeah, kinda. So here's the back shot. Well, other side. GP. 6800 XT. Motherfucking unicorn. Try my best on that cable management. This thing runs quiet. It's a beast of a PC.